Hi guys, this is Brian. I'm the video producer for Primal Kitchen, and today we are going to be making turkey club lettuce wraps. So you're going to take one head of iceberg lettuce and you're going to cut that right down the middle. You're going to remove the core and the outside leaves. And the key to this whole recipe really is the parchment paper. And for the purpose of wrapping your lettuce wrap later on, I like to position my parchment paper in sort of a diamond with the corners on the outside. You'll see later why I did that. So you're gonna pick out the best looking pieces of iceberg you can, and you're gonna lay those flat on top of your parchment paper. And we're gonna take this Primal Kitchen garlic aioli mayo. We're gonna spread a nice thick layer, about a quarter cup, over our lettuce leaves. Next, we're gonna layer in our turkey slices. We're gonna slice up a tomato and we're gonna add that to our wrap. We're gonna take half an avocado, we're gonna slice that up and add it in. And then, of course, bacon. Before all this, I fried up some bacon real quick and I set that aside. And then I'm just gonna put that right on top of everything. And now for the tricky part. So I'm gonna take that outside corner and I'm gonna bring that over and sort of start to tuck that in under my lettuce. And I'm gonna roll, and I'm gonna roll it tight, roll it under. And I'm gonna continue rolling, keeping it as tight as I can. And once I get it rolled a good way, I'm gonna bring the ends over and tuck those in towards the middle. And then I'm gonna continue rolling, keeping it nice and tight. There you go, and now I'm gonna cut it in half using a serrated knife, but I'm not gonna cut it all the way through. I'm gonna leave a little bit of that parchment paper intact. And this will kind of help keep it together as well. And then serve it with some additional Primal Kitchen garlic aioli mayo for dipping. And there you go. Thanks for watching, everybody. Until next time.